What I want to demonstrate right now is our new gadget, the Elemental's NanoPen. So this new technology is mainly made to increase the transport of products into the skin by creating very tiny microchannels. And so let's demonstrate here, just yes, like this, perfect. And I use one of our products we use mainly for anti-aging. It's the bioplacenta. It's made by 5 different growth factors, so it's very effective if we are talking about decreasing wrinkles, make the wrinkles less visible. And so you can see it's very easy. Just close your eyes, be relaxed, okay? So we don't need a lot. And then just go on the skin. And what you can see is, if I just move here on the skin, how quick the product disappears and goes into the skin. And that's all about. So you see, it's pretty easy. And you can use it as an esthetician in the institute, and you can use it as well at home as a kind of home care and to improve the products you use at home.